Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most convenient all-in-one home security bundles available right now, the Smart Home Security Basics Kit featuring the newest Amazon Echo Show 8, the latest Ring battery doorbell, and the updated Ring indoor cam. If you've been wanting a simple, reliable, voice-controlled security setup that works together seamlessly, this kit might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the Echo Show 8. This newest model is faster, clearer, and more responsive than before, giving you crisp video calls, sharper streaming, and instant access to your connected devices. Now with Alexa Plus Early Access built in, routines feel smoother, controls feel smarter, and the whole experience feels more integrated. You can check camera feeds, manage alerts, or talk to visitors, all from a single screen. Next is the Ring battery doorbell, the newest generation offering cleaner video, better motion detection, and a more reliable battery. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply away from the door, you'll get clearer alerts, faster notifications, and two-way talk with reduced delay. The wireless setup is quick, making installation easy for any home. The Ring indoor cam completes the setup with sharp HD video, night vision, crisp audio, and easy placement anywhere you want an extra pair of eyes. Whether you're monitoring pets, checking on your living room, or keeping an eye on entry points, this cam provides smooth live view and quick motion alerts right to your Echo Show 8 or phone. Together, the integration is what truly elevates this kit. You can pull up doorbell footage instantly on the Echo Show 8, view your indoor camera feed with voice command, and automate everything with simple Alexa routines. It's a powerful but beginner-friendly setup that brings real security, convenience, and reliability to your home. If you want to upgrade your smart home and boost security without complicated wiring or confusing setup, this three-piece bundle delivers exactly that. Check out the link below and grab yours today. And don't forget, if you enjoy these daily product breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more Gadgetverse reviews coming your way. Buy yours on Amazon now.